hot. 2 minutes later, turn the heat down, turn the air up, keep my ceiling fan on. But I haven't had any symptoms in about 4 weeks or so since I started to manage my weight and practice this protocol for insomnia and hot flashes. So let me tell you what I did. I love peppermint spray, eucalyptus. So I bought a sauna, and I have been spraying, putting eucalyptus drops in my candles. And I have been managing my weight more, eating lean meat, more vegetables, and drinking green tea. Just plain green tea without anything. Staying away from caffeine. And staying away from pre-packaged processed foods. Yes, that is a big help and made a huge difference. See the protocol for managing hot flashes, insomnia, peppermint and aloe spray. I love me some peppermint spray. I made my own. I have, and most of you probably have peppermint leaves growing around your property. I pick them, let them dry out, and put them in my spice grinder and mix them with oil and a little bit of water. Exercise and weight management. Poor sleep. Poor sleep plays a huge role in weight gain. And weight gain leads to heart disease, diabetes, and other health problems. And then it even gives a protocol for treating low libido. And it also gives you a menopause-friendly diet. And I love flax seeds. I eat them like, walnuts, almonds, and I even put them in my food. And I started again drinking Bragg's vinegar with water every morning before I exercise and before I eat breakfast. Caloric intake. Now, I decrease my calories a lot. And my clothes are fitting better. I need to go shopping for smaller clothes, but I'm going to wait about another month or so because I am destined to lose even more weight with my regimen I have developed for myself. Oh, yeah, I've had sluggish metabolism for months, and my metabolism has increased due to my calorie counting and increasing my vegetables. Oh, yeah, let me tell you what I do. I have stopped eating red meat for the past 2 months, and I feel lighter. My head is clearer. I don't feel sluggish. Because the red meat can really weigh you down. And I believe that was the cause of the doctor finding and removing a polyp during my colonoscopy about a month ago. So this is a protocol. It gives you a morning, noon, afternoon, evening, and before bed. And don't forget to take your multivitamins every day. Before I start taking medicine for hormone replacement, I'm going to do some unnatural remedies